Processed meats are classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer as Group 1 carcinogens. This means that there is a strong evidence that they actually cause cancer, especially colorectal cancer. These meats contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. When you cook or digest them, they can form nitrosamines, which can damage your DNA and promote tumors. Eating processed meat regularly is linked with significantly higher risk of colorectal cancer, stomach cancer, breast, and even lung cancer. Swap processed meats with fresh poultry, fish, or even plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu. Foods and drinks high in refined sugar like soda, cereals, white bread, pastries can lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even chronic inflammation, all of which are connected to higher risk of breast, colon, and pancreatic cancer. A research study found that even a small daily consumption of sugary drinks may raise the risk of developing cancer by 18%. Replace sugary drinks with water and herbal tea. Choose whole grains like brown rice. This enables the regulation of your blood sugar and reduces cancer risk. Alcoholic beverages are classified as carcinogenic to humans. Over the years, there have been so many cases involving cancer of the breast, the liver, the colon, esophagus, the mouth, and even the throat, all of which were linked to frequent consumption of alcohol. The toxic byproduct of alcohol is called acetaldehyde. This compound damages your DNA and interferes with cellular repair mechanisms. Canned foods often contain BPA in their lining. BPA is an endocrine disruptor and is associated with hormone-related cancers like breast and even prostate cancer. Foods like potato chips contain acrylamide. Acrylamide is a compound formed during the high-heat cooking of starchy items. Clinical research is currently being done at multiple centers to study the link between acrylamide and cancer. Choose fresh or minimally processed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes. Consume red meat in moderation and ignore processed meat altogether. These are proven ways to lower the chances of developing cancer in the first place, and this becomes especially important as you cross your 40s and beyond. Many of the foods that cause inflammation and insulin resistance have the capacity to actually enhance tumor growth. A cleaner diet strengthens your immune system, and this enables your body to detect and combat early cancerous changes. People who are conscious about their health tend to undergo preventive health checks earlier on, which means that cancers are found sooner, treatments are more effective, and survival rates are relatively higher. Walk, exercise, stay active. It complements diets in lowering cancer risk. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.